All right, stars of the TV show Mythbusters are apologizing big time for an experiment that went bad.
This is the worst thing we can imagine happening. I have kids of my own. I have a house of my own. I can't imagine how angry I would be to find this happening.
My husband and my son was in the car 5 minutes before it happens. No. I'm so glad they are fine.
There will be no cannons fired.
No cannons fired
this area
anymore.
At least by us again.
Awkward. They were trying to shoot a cannonball through some water barrels. It misfired and it ricocheted off a hill, through a home, hit another home, and then landed on top of a minivan. Nobody was hurt, thankfully. The authorities say that the firing range is shut down for now, and they are reviewing the safety policies. Yikes.
Yeah, funny.
Did you watch Jimmy Kimmel last night?
Yeah, I was going to say, I saw a different version of that story on late night TV last night,
Here's
Robin.
what Jimmy did to it. I've seen that show. It's fascinating. But what was the myth that they were trying to bust?
It's still going.
That is some good editing.
What's amazing, you got right up after that happened. You were a trooper. You sprung right up.